Good evening to all of you. Today in this lecture in this lecture session we'll cover how the insurance premium is calculated. In the class, I have already discussed what are the factors which influence the calculation of premium. I have in case of, in different types of insurance policies like motor insurance, then motor insurance, the health insurance, life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance. What are the factors which influence the calculation of premium? And so here we discuss here in this problem we will discuss about how insurance premium life insurance premium is calculated. Here we will solve a problem, so the conception of premium calculation will be more clear. So this video is meant only for become second semester, so here they will get an idea how the premium is actually calculated. Though it is in the book, it is the numerical problems are not given, but for though the CBCS system, CBCS course has been introduced for the first time in Guwahati University, and we do not know the question pattern. Though it is the first time this course has been introduced in the IRM, Insurance and Risk Management, so we cannot leave any stone unturned, because anything in the in examination the numerical problems may also come, so we will have to be prepared. And for that purpose only making this video. So please follow the steps properly, the how I calculate. And if you have any doubt regarding, you can ask me in the comment section or give me a call, or give a message on via WhatsApp. Okay, so here you have to go through the questions very carefully. So question, if you understand the question very carefully, then only we will be able to understand the solution very easily. So here if you go to the if we come to the question, here we can see that so here the question is, Mr. Sam Bazumidar is the customer who wants to purchase an endowment plan. So here the policy type is endowment, and his age on the date of purchase of the policy is 29 years 7 months and 6 days. So that the age is also very important, because the premium generally depends on the age. And then next is term. The term given is 25 years. So the person is taking the insurance cover for 25 years. And the premium payment mode is yearly. So he is going to pay the premium is yearly. Though he is giving the premium, he is going to pay the premium yearly. So the company is offering him a rebate or discount. So the synonym for rebate is discount. So sum assured is rupees 5 lakh. The person is taking the insurance cover is for 5 lakhs, and the rebate on the sum assured. So though he is taking a huge amount, the life cover is more, the lump sum amount is a huge amount. So the company is also offering another discount on the sum assured is rupees 150. And the tabular premium for age nearer to the date of birth is for 29 years. The premium is 26 per thousand, and for 30 years it is 28 per thousand. And the person has also taken some extra benefit or extra cover. So it is known as rider. So rider means extra benefit. If a person is taking some extra cover or extra benefit, so he will have to pay some additional charges for that. So you can understand this riders from a simple example. Suppose we have ordered for a cheeseburger, and we want the vendor to offer some extra cheese, or some extra taste maker. So we will have to pay some additional charges for that. So additional money have to be paid for that, like that. So here the person is taking, along with the endowment plan, he is also taking additional benefit, accidental benefit. Means suppose if he during the insurance cover, during the policy term, if he dies out of any accident or accident, then the company will pay some extra money to him. And also along with that, he is also taking some divisibility rider. So disability rider means during the policy term, if he becomes paralyzed, or if any of the part of his body is amputated due to accident or some other reason, that for that also he will get some extra money. So that is disability rider. So here the question is very clear. So from I repeat the question once again in a very synoptic way. So the person is, the name of the name is not very important. He is taking an insurance cover. His age is 29 years 7 months 6 days. So though his age is over 6 months, he has crossed 6 months, so it will be considered as 30. So here 29 years will be considered as 30 years. So therefore for the calculation purpose we will consider it as 30 years. His age is 30 years because it has already crossed 7 months, 6 months. It has already crossed 6 months, so we will consider as 30 years. So then the premium mode is yearly, and premium mode is yearly means the company is offering a discount of rupees 1 rupees, and also on the sum assured the company is offering 1.50 rupees 1.50 a discount. So the tabular premium for 29 years is 26 per thousand, and for 30 is 28 per thousand, and he is also taken some additional benefit 2 per for, and it will be payable for 2 per thousand and disability rider for 5 per thousand. So we'll go to the solution now. So here we come to the solution part. So the premium per thousand, though I have already mentioned that the person has crossed over 6 months has already crossed, so it will be considered as 30 years. So the for 30 years the premium is given as 28, and for that he is getting a rebate of rupees 1 rupees 50 paise. So and the balance is 26.50. If we deduct this 1.50 from 28, it is the balance is 26.50, and also he is getting another additional benefit and another additional discount because he is paying the premium in one go, that is yearly. He is getting a discount of rupees 1. So if you deduct from 26.50, again the balance comes as 25.50. So the premium here, the calculation of the premium is per thousand. So per thousand means here we will calculate the premium. So though it is asked as per thousand, so we will do what? We will cross these 3 zeros and it will come as 500. So 25.50 into 500 per thousand is given. So the premium will come around 12,750. Here it is the base premium. So here we have to just understand it is the base premium. Okay, base premium. Base premium means which is not in here, the rider is not included. Then in a step 4 we will here will add the rider. So for the step 4 from premium, here we'll add the rider. So here it is the base premium. It is a base premium. Then we'll add the rider. Okay. So the accidental benefit here it is given as 2 per thousand. So 2 per thousand, here again we will cancel this 3 zeros. Then 2 into 500, it is 1000 rupees, and for the disability benefit it was given as rupees 50 per thousand. It will be around 50 into 500 rupees 50. So the total premium which will be payable is 12,750. That is the base premium. Okay, plus 1000, that is the accidental benefit, plus 250, that is the disability benefit. So the total premium will be around 14,000. Okay. So here in this question it was asked that the premium payment is yearly. Suppose that it may be also asked that the premium payable is half yearly. So if the premium payment mode is half yearly, then we have to do what? We have to 14,000 divided to, we have to do what? The total premium into 6 divided by 12. So it will come around 7,000. Okay. So suppose if the premium payable is quarterly, if the premium payment is quarterly, then the premium will be 14,000 into 4 divided by 12. So premium will be around 4,667. Okay. So if the premium is yearly, so it will be here 14,000 into 12 by 12. So it will be like 12. If you divide 12 by 12, it will be 1. So it will be 14 into 1 is equal to 14,000 only. Okay. So here In this problem, we have seen how the insurance premium is calculated, and if you have any doubt regarding, if you don't understand any portion of this solution, so you can ask me in the comment box in the video, or you may give a WhatsApp in a group, or you may also mail me. So you in a mail you will find my mail you will find in the description section. Okay, so hope all of you are staying, all of you are safe, staying in the all of you are staying at home, and also all of you are in the quarantine. So this is the, and do watch this video, because it takes a lot of pain and trouble to do the calculation um, in PowerPoint presentation, and also I do not have the required tool to make the videos properly on the YouTube. And thank you very much, and hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will come up with this kind of tutorial video in the coming lectures. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. This is Dr. Amrit signing off. Thank you very much.